This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Gil Gutierrez. Welcome to Coral Isle. Come see this stunning and immaculately clean, corner unit. This 3-bedroom/2.5 BTH townhome is awaiting your personal touch. The HOA maintained roof was replaced 6 years ago and the AC, just 5 years ago. Open concept floor plan downstairs, 3 bedrooms and laundry upstairs. Kitchen features white cabinets, marble countertops, mosaic backsplash and stainless steel appliances. Master bedroom features an ensuite bathroom and walk-in California closets. Wood-look tile can be found throughout the unit. This home features Impax windows and doors, plantation shutters and a 1-car garage. A backyard oasis is perfect for entertaining or relaxation. The community features a pool located just 2 doors down. Walking distances to shopping and dining. Easy access to Sawgrass Expressway. For more information